Hey guys, I wanted to show you how I made my sleeve because I've seen a couple of people asking how to make it. So let me show you how I did mine. So as you can see, it's standing on its own. That's because it has rigilene boning inside the lining part. It also has medium weight interfacing on both sides. Now I could have went a little further with the last one, but I just decided to stop right there. Okay. So let me show you some other products you might want to use instead of the medium weight interfacing. This is what I was using. It's medium weight interfacing from Pellon. And this is the heavy duty interfacing. I only have a little bit left, so I didn't use it because this is not cheap, guys. I use it if something needs to be structured. It's very stiff, especially if you're putting it on the main fabric and the lining. It's cotton heavy duty interfacing. Here we have polyester organdy. Okay, this is really stiff. You see that, right? Okay, so now I'm going to show you what hard net looks like. It's hard but not stiffer than organdy. You see, organdy is still stiffer, but you can work with hard net if you want to. Now I'm going to show you something that I got from AliExpress. This one is stiff, just like organdy, but if you ask me, I feel like they have the same weight. For designers who are making corsets, this is the wrong one to use for the transparent corset. It's too stiff, it frays fast, and it also makes you itch. There's one from AliExpress that's a little lighter for corsets, and that one feels more like bobby-net. Let me show you what this looks like. This is the one that is lighter. It looks like bobby-net. It doesn't stretch at all. It still frays though. And this is the one that shouldn't be used in corsets. It feels itchy on the hand and it's too stiff. So hopefully this helped you out on the structured sleeves and the transparent corsets. I have two types of corset mesh from different companies. If you would like me to make a review on them, let me know in the comments. There's more videos coming, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.